Somogiri is, I said that, wetland. And then Mansar, Surinsar is, and I said that, wetland. Understood? So we have seen some lakes in the Jammu and Kashmir. Now we are moving towards Himachal Pradesh, where I said, it is not necessary. Otherwise I can't complete and all. As far as the FAC will ask, it will ask you where the saline lakes, and or it is in a wrong statement. Jammu and Kashmir has a saline lake. Pangong Tso is a saline lake. Salt Lake is, I said that, saline lake. So it is not necessary to go for. Okay? अब next 10 years तक this kind of question will not ask. हाँ, जहाँ पे फिर राजस्थान में आऊँगा, that time I'll tell you which are the lakes saline. So I said, here we are going to see Jammu and Kashmir. In the Jammu and Kashmir, I said that here you can have Revalsar. You can also see Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar, which I said that Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar. Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar. And yesterday you have seen Govind Sagar is in a which one? Bhakra. Govind Sagar lake is which dam? Bhakra dam. I said that Revalsar, Parasar, and what I said that? गोविंद सागर. एंड रिवर्सल जनरली जब भी मैं कभी भी रीवा देखता हूँ, रवा देखता हूँ, तो जस्ट सडनली बोलता हूँ सूजी. रवा इज क्या है? सूजी. तो रवा का हलवा परासर किसके साथ खा रहा है? इज ईटिंग रवा हलवा. परासर इज ईटिंग विद गोविंद. तो गोविंद के साथ खाने का मजा ही अलग है. जब भी आप जाते हो, यू नो दैट इन द टेम्पल्स एंड ऑल, यू विल सी व्हाट इज विच हलवा? सूजी का हलवा. Yes or no? So I said that Rava ka halwa, what is the name? Parasar is eating with Govind. So Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar. Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar. Thereafter I said, perhaps you remember, Pong Dam is known as, I said that, Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake. Maharana Pratap Sagar. And then there is an, I said that, Khajjar. महाराणा प्रताप सागर, चमेरा, खज्जर. महाराणा प्रताप सागर, दिस इज चमेरा. आपको याद होगा चमेरा, चमेरा डैम. एंड चमेरा इज एन डैम ऑन, चमेरा इज एन डैम ऑन रावी. वेरी गुड. रवि से क्या होता है? चमड़ा थीन हो जाता है. चमेरा इज ऑन द व्हाट? रावी रिवर. सो आई सेड दैट दिस इज एन विच आई सेड, यू कैन कम इन द फ्रंट. You can shift over this side. I said Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar, and then this is an Maharana Pratap. You know that 1576 Battle of Haldi Ghati has been taken place in the Rajasthan, and Haldi Ghati is in a kind of pass, and then soil over there is like a turmeric, therefore it is known as Haldi, looking like Haldi. So I said that, I said यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? महाराणा प्रताप is lost. What is lost this battle? And then Maharana Pratap, and then I said Chamera, and then I said that Khajjar. Which are the lakes? I said that Maharana Pratap, Chamera, and I said that Khajjar. And there are some lakes are there, small. यहाँ पे छोटा बनाऊंगा, बड़ा नहीं बना सकता. I said that. So Khajjar, I said that Maharana Pratap, Chamera, Khajjar, and there is an Lama Dal. Lama Dal Lake. There is a Nag Dal Lake. And then there I said that Mahakali. And this is I said that Mani Mahesh. So I said that Maharana Pratap was not happy with the Mughal way that they are doing. Yes? Yes. And and then the king Raja Man Singh has defeated him under the what is in Akbar and all. And उन्होंने सोचा कैसे मुगलों को हटाया जाए. So I said that Maharana Pratap, Chamera, and I said that Khajjar. तो Chamera को साइड कर ले. Chamera all of you know that. Chamera is in a what? Dam. So महाराणा प्रताप खोज रहे हैं. महाराणा प्रताप खोज रहे हैं खच्चर. लामा एंड नाग वो लोग भी खोज रहे हैं. लामा he is under the what? Tibet is under what? China. And then you know that I said that नाग भी खोज रहा है. Who is searching out? महाराणा प्रताप, खज्जर, लामा, नागडल. Who is searching? महाराणा प्रताप. And then who is Lama and Dal? They are searching something. खोज रहे हैं महाकाली को. When then they will be able to get Mahakali, there will be also Shiva, and if the Shiva is there, the money will be also there. Money Mahesh, जो नाक के ऊपर money होता है. And when they will be able to get the money, they will become powerful. Lama will what is in a liberate. He will become independent and then liberate from China, जो आज के डेट में हमारे इंडिया में बैठे हुए हैं कई सालों से. So I said that उनको चाहिए प्रताप को क्या चाहिए? Free from Mughals. And Nag also wants their own money. तो सभी लोग मनी की खोज में. किसकी खोज में है? And where they will be able to get money, where there is a Mahakali is there, and if the Mahakali is there, the Shiva will be also there. So हमने क्या बोला? महाराणा प्रताप सागर, खज्जर, महाराणा प्रताप सागर, खज्जर, yes, नागडल, लामाडल, नागडल, महाकाली, Mani Mahesh. Understood? Which are the lakes I said? Maharana Pratap, Khajjar, Lamadal, Nagdal, Mahakali, Mani Mahesh. Completely okay in your mind? Yes. So which are the lakes till now we have seen? I said Satpada. Sorry, I said that it is Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar. Revalsar, Rava खा रहे हैं Parasar along with Govind. Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar. And Govind Sagar, you know that which one it is? Bhakla Dam. And then I said that Maharana Pratap Sagar. And it is in a pond dam. Maharana Pratap Sagar is in a pond dam. Yesterday I said that it is in a wetland. Maharana Pratap Sagar, then Khajjar. Chamera को साइड किया. Maharana Pratap Sagar, then Khajjar, Lamadal, Nagdal, Mahakali, Mani Mahesh. Understood? Killers. So we have seen these lakes. And इसमें कौन सा lake wetland है? Maharana Pratap Sagar. It is an I said that. It is also known as what? Pong Dam. And it is on the which river? Byas. Byas river has what? Pando and Pong Dam. So what we have seen? Maharana Pratap, Khajjar, yes, and there are 4 lakes are there. यहाँ पे नहीं दिखाया जा रहा क्योंकि the figure is very small. And then I said that, which one I said that? Lamadal, Nagdal, Mahakali, Mani Mahesh. Thereafter I said that there is an this region. This region is a Lahore and Spiti Valley. जो कहा जाता है, it is known as the Lahore Spiti Valley. In this one, 3 lakes are there. I said that Surajtal, Chandratal. Which are the lakes I said that? Surajtal, Chandratal. Which are the lakes I said that? Surajtal, Chandratal and Brigu. Which one I said that? Chandratal and Brigu. जिसके पास the person who is having Suraj kind of son and Chand type of daughter, वो तो already life में खुशी से भिंगा हुआ है. Happiness is in their life. Yes or not? Suraj like son and Chand like daughter. So I said that Suraj Tal, Chandra Tal. Suraj Tal, Chandra Tal and Brigu Lake. Understood? अच्छा इसमें कौन wetland है? One is wetland. Very good. Chandratal is a wetland. Surajtal due to heat dried हो जाएगा. And then Chand always giving some kind of what? Humidity. So Chandratal is in a kind of what? You can remember like this. Chandratal is in a what? Wetland. So which are the lakes till now we have seen? Yes, fast. Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar. Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar. Ravakhare, Parasar along with Govind. Then I said that which one? Maharana Pratap Sagar, Khajjar. Maharana Pratap Sagar, Khajjar. And who is also Khajjar? Khojra hai. Lama Dal, Nagdal, Mahakali, Mani Mahesh. Understood? Then I said Surastal, Chandratal, Brigu. Understood? जनरली आजकल डेट में गर्ल्स के साथ इट इज नॉट हैपनिंग वेल, तो लोग इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं ना खोल दरवाजा, डू नॉट ओपन द डोर, डू नॉट ओपन द डोर. उसको क्या बोलूंगा मैं? ना खोल दरवाजा. यस और नॉट. एंड देन जो गर्ल्स का नाम है रेनू. क्या नाम है? सो ना खोल रेनू, ना खोल. एंड देन देयर इज, आई सेड दैट दिस साइड इज, आई सेड Nakol, and there is a Renuka, and the Renuka is in a wetland. Renuka is in a what? Wetland. So Himachal Pradesh has which are? Maharana Pratap Sagar. Which are, I said that? Maharana Pratap Sagar, Chandratal, and then yes, Renuka. Maharana Pratap Sagar, Chandratal, Renuka. These are what? Wetland. 3 wetlands in Himachal Pradesh. Again, tell me fast, which are we have seen? यहाँ पे क्या देखा था? Just tell me. सतपाड़ा, डल, शेषनाग, नागिन, मनसबल, उलर, होकेसर, सॉल्ट लेक, एंगोंगसो, सोकर, सोमोरी, and this is Mansar, Surinsar. Understood? And here we have what? I said this is, I said that wetland. This is an Ular and Okersar, and then I said that this is Somoriri and Mansar Surinsar. These are 4 wetlands. And thereafter I am talking about हम लोगों ने, there is Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar, Maharana Pratap Sagar, Khajjar, Lamadal, Nagdal, Mahakali, Mani Mahesh, and then I said Surastal, Chandratal, Mahakal, Brigu, and then Nakol, Renuka. And we have, I said, which one? There is a Maharana Pratap Sagar, Chandratal, and Renukas are what is a wetland. और यहाँ पर कौन सा एक लेक है? Chamera. Which one I said that? Chamera. So we have seen what is another lake in Himachal Pradesh. Next we are moving towards, I said that, Uttarakhand. And Uttarakhand, you must be knowing, yesterday I talked about nearby, I said Gangotri, there is in a which? Gauri Kund lake. Which lake? And then Gauri Kund is also which? I said that. It is in a waterfall also. It is in a waterfall yesterday I talked about. So Gauri Kund. And thereafter in the Nainital, if you'll go, there is in a 3 lakes are there famous. Nainital, Bhimtal, Sattal. All these are, what is the name? Glacier made. I said that, which are the lake? I said that? नैनीताल, भीमताल. और भीम तो कई लोगों के 7 लोग नहीं, 7 के बराबर है. So I said that Nainital, Bhimtal, Sattal. So in the Uttarakhand, which are the lakes we have seen? Nainital, Bhimtal, Sattal. Understood? There is no wetland. So Gauri Kund, Nainital, Bhimtal, Sattal. Now we are moving towards Punjab. And Punjab has, I am going to see 3 lakes, and all these 3 lakes are wetland. I said perhaps you know that Harike wetland, yesterday I talked about. Yes, Harike. And it is a meeting point of Satluj and Bias. It is a meeting point of what? And from here the Indira Gandhi canal has been originated, perhaps you remember. Thereafter if you go above, there is which lake is there? Nearby Amritsar. There is a nearby Amritsar, there is a Kanjli. Which one I said that? Kanjli. Understood? Nearby Amritsar, I said that which lake is there? Kanjli. And Kanjli is also wetland. Harike wetland, Kanjli wetland. And thereafter, do you remember yesterday I talked about Satluj river, Nathpa, Nathuram Godse, Bhakhla, Govind Sagar, then it entered into Punjab, Nangal. And that is in a Ropar lake. I said that Ropar wetland. And it is in a Ropar district mein. That is in the what? Ropar district mein hai, and this is in a Ropar lake, and it is in also what? Wetland. Understood it? So in the Punjab, which are the three lakes and all these are wetland? The first I said, tell me. Harike, Kanjli, Ropar. Harike, Kanjli and Ropar. Completely okay in your mind? Yes. So till now, out of 26, we have done how many wetlands? 10. 4 in Jammu and Kashmir, 3 in Himachal Pradesh and 3 in Punjab. Understood it? Now we are moving towards, I said that, nearby Delhi, there is enough Faridabad. And it is made along the Aravalli Ridge. Along which ridge? सूरज कुंड. इफ यू आप कुछ दिन में रहोगे तो कभी न्यूज़पेपर में यू कैन रीड लाइक सूरज कुंड मेला. अंडरस्टूड? सो विच लेक आई सेड दैट? इन द फरीदाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट नियर बाई. एंड सूरज छोटा है या बहुत बड़ा है? यस टेल मी. इट इज इन स्मॉलर और वेरी बिग? बिग है ना सूरज. सो उसको हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे? बिग को बड़ा. तो दैट देयर इज इन बड लेक आई सेड दैट सूरज कुंड. एंड विच लेक आई सेड दैट? Which lake? Badkal. और ये along which it has been formed? Aravalli. Around which? Aravalli. Understood? And nearby, I said that just गुड़गांव नाम जानते होंगे ना? Now its name is Gurugram. और गुरु में दम होता है. Yes or not? दमदमा. यहाँ पर लिख लेंगे यहाँ पे दमदमा. Nearby Gurugram there is another lake. I said that Damdama. Which lake I said? Damdama. So which are the lakes in the Haryana we have seen? Suraj Kund, Badkal, Damdama. Suraj Kund, Badkal, सूरज बड़ा होता है एंड उसमें दम भी होता है. बट दम कहाँ पे है? गुरु में है. गुरुग्राम. अंडरस्टूड? सूरज कुंड, Badkal lake, and then I said that Damdama. So we have covered 5 states and I am going to revise all the 5 states. Just remember it and listen me carefully. I said that first Satpara, Dal, Sheshnaग, Nagin, Manasbal, Ular, Hokersar. Salt Lake, Pengongso, Sokar, Somorri. Understood? And then Mansar, Surinsar. And then Ular, Hokersar, Somorri, Mansar, Surinsar wetland. Then I said that Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar, Maharana Pratap Sagar, Khajjar, Lamadal, Nagdal, Mahakali, Mani Mahas. Then I said Surajtal, Chandratal, Brigu Lake. Understood it? And then Nakol, Renuka and Chamera. And in this one, Maharana Pratap Sagar, which is a Pangong,